In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Grammarly account. Whether you're looking to switch to a different service or simply don't need Grammarly anymore, I'm here to help you walk through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully deleted your Grammarly account, and you'll see just how straightforward it can be. First, let's begin by navigating to the Grammarly account dashboard. You'll want to open your web browser and log into your Grammarly account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard page. This is your central hub for everything related to your account, including settings, subscription details, and more. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar on the screen. Here you'll see various tabs that allow you to manage different aspects of your account. We're interested in the Account tab, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Account Management section, where you can see your personal details and other account-related options. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the main page panel. This is where you will find the Delete Account section. It's important to note that this section may not be immediately visible, so make sure you scroll all the way down. Once you find it, you should see a button labeled Delete Account. Click on this button to proceed with the deletion process. At this point, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is a security measure to ensure that the account deletion is intentional and to verify your identity. If you signed up for Grammarly using a password, you'll need to enter your current Grammarly password in the provided field. This step is crucial as it confirms that you are the legitimate owner of the account and that the request to delete it is genuine. However, if you initially signed up using single sign-on options such as Google, Apple, or Facebook, the process is slightly different. Instead of entering a password, you'll need to click the corresponding social login button. This will re-authenticate your identity through the selected social account. It's a simple and secure way to ensure that you're the one making the request. Once you've verified your identity, you're ready to finalize the process. Click on the red Delete Account button to complete the deletion. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely certain about your decision to delete the account before proceeding. After clicking, your Grammarly account will be permanently deleted, and you'll no longer have access to any of the features or documents saved on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Grammarly account. Remember, if you ever wish to use Grammarly again, you can always create a new account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.